So good morning everyone. So our topic for today is file system. So what is file system? A file system is the method or structure that a computer uses to store, organize, and manage data on storage devices like hard drives, SSDs, USBs, or memory cards. So file system is focusing is to store, organize, and manage data on storage. And the next is what are the main activities in file system. So there are 4 main activities in file system: creating files, reading files, writing or editing files, deleting files. So the first one is creating files, making a new file and giving it a name so it can be stored on the system. Then second is the reading files, opening or accessing a file to view its contents. Third one is writing, editing files, adding, changing, or updating the information inside a file. So writing or editing files is very important, so if there are any mistaken, you can add or change or update the information inside the file. And the last one is the deleting files, removing a file from the storage system so it is no longer accessible. Deleting files is very important also, so we can save or manage some storage for the other activities that we do or make. Then the examples are, there are 5: NTFS, FAT, 2xFAT, ext4, APFS. So NTFS is meaning new technology file system used by Windows computer. The second is FAT32. The meaning of FAT is file allocation table, common in USB drive and memory cards. The third one is exFAT or extended file allocation table, used for larger USB drives and SD cards. And the fourth one is ext4, fourth extended file system or default file system for many Linux systems. Then the fifth one and the last one is APFS or Apple file system. The last one is for Apple users, used by modern Apple or Mac devices. So 5 is what are the key importance of file system. So there are 6. The first one is to organize data. Is very important one to help us to keep files arranged in folders so you can easily find and manage them. Second is manage storage. Controls how data is stored on a device and uses space efficiently. Third is protect files or prevent unauthorized access and protects important data from being changed or deleted. So protect files, it is used to be protecting your files, guys. So if there are any unauthorized access, the protect files do his works. Yeah. The fourth one is enable is easy access, allows users and programs to quickly open, read, and write files. The fifth is prevent data loss. Prevent data loss is to help us maintain data integrity so files do not get corrupted. And the last one, guys, is controls permissions. Decides who can view, edit, or delete each file. So control permissions, guys, or what we call our privacy, that we can decide who can view or edit or delete our files. Thank you guys for watching.